Hi everyone, welcome to Beautiful Within. So on my first wedding anniversary, I wanted to give my husband a series of presents, like let's say 2-3 presents, because for me one present is never enough, so I thought I should reciprocate. And when I asked him what he wanted, what all he wanted, I could see that he would prefer more of the practical gifts rather than the gifts that us girls require, like jewelry and makeup and fashion clothing and all of it. So one of the gifts that I prepared for him was a travel kit or a job kit. As you can see, this was a bag, like I prepared it from scratch. So from the toothbrush to the bag to everything in it, I prepared. Rather, like I assembled. So this was the bag that I got. First of all, this is the kind of bag. It's rectangular, outshiny bag. This I got from Jabong. It's very easy to keep in a suitcase because it's like more flat in structure. Let's say if your husband is the adventurer types and he mostly keeps backpacks, which at times there are people, it's advisable that you keep a square bag. Otherwise, mostly like if your husband attends business meetings and all of it, he mostly takes suitcases. So you can take a flatter rectangular bag. So now I'll be sharing the contents with you, which will be the job kit essentials or the men's toiletries bag essentials. So let's get started. I will start with the oral care essentials. So in oral care, I mostly keep firstly a toothbrush, which I keep in a case like this. I got these from Amazon. Easier to carry toothbrushes in these. Then I carry this toothpaste and a tongue cleaner and a Colgate Plaques mouthwash. So this is a travel size bottle. I mostly do not keep flosses, but just in case you use floss, you can keep flosses as well. So these are my oral care essentials. Next are the shaving essentials. So for shaving, I keep a Gillette foam. Whenever I'm saying I keep, it means I keep in the dog bag for my husband. So there is Gillette foam, which is the shaving foam. He uses the same foam at home as well. There's a razor. Now my husband does not like using electric razors. If your husband is the type who uses those, like you can keep an electric razor as well. Then I keep lactocalamine because he mostly during travels prefers using lactocalamine instead of aftershaves. And then I keep aftershave wipes. So these are wet wipes with like aftershave on them. So you can use them as wet wipes or aftershave wipes. You can just wipe your face with it. So these are the shaving essentials. Next will be the skincare essentials. Now for the skincare essentials, I keep a body lotion. Now you would argue that mostly body lotions and soaps almost all the hotels provide, but I would just say that it's safer to carry one in your job kit as well, because firstly you might not like the hotel body lotion, or in these days the cost cutting. I have traveled to certain of the hotels which did not have much of the like toiletry essentials, which is why I keep everything in it just to be on the safer side. And of course you can use your preferred brand. I have kept a Vaseline body lotion. Then I keep the face wash for him. He uses this Garnier Men Oil Clear Deep Cleansing Face Wash. So this is what I keep, a small travel size pack. Then I keep a lip balm. This is a non-tinted lip balm, of course, from Himalaya. This is good for like chapped lips. Let's say if you're going at a place where there's a weather change or something of that sort, or if he's traveling abroad, then it might help. And I also keep a Pears soap because my man is very particular about the soap that he uses, and he mostly uses a glycerin Pears soap, which is why I keep it. So these are the skincare essentials that I have. Next will be some hair care essentials, small one on that. Hair care is not that long a section because I just keep a small travel comb and some shampoo and some hair oil. So hair oil he has never ever used, but I've just kept a bottle just in case he requires an oil, a bottle of oil. So this is for that. It's a small parachute bottle. So these were my hair care. Next would be a very long section on miscellaneous items that I keep. Now for the miscellaneous items, I first of all keep a deodorant and a perfume sample. Both of these are sample. This is Axe Coco Deo, and this is a perfume sample by All Good Scents, which is Arise for men. So this is a deo which I keep. I also keep a small bottle of talcum powder for him, just in case, not just for the body. Talcum powder can help reduce the shoe odor as well. If you, oh, I dropped the bottle. If you can use it for that. So these three things. Then I of course keep a Vicks Vapor Rub because let's say if you're having cold and you're not able to sleep, this helps. This baby helps you sleep. and some bit of medicines. This is a multivitamin that I've kept just in case if he remembers to have it, he can have it. Then I've kept a small mesh bag like this, which has certain essentials, which has scissors in it. Then it has an analgesic that we mostly use at home. So this is an analgesic which we know will not cause us any allergy. So just in case during travel, during business meetings, you're having fever, this helps. Then some bandage, some Q-tips and cotton. Cotton is the only thing left. So these are the things again which I keep. Then I had created certain these kind of kits. So this is an all-purpose kit and this is a sewing kit. So in the all-purpose kit I've kept certain rubber bands, I've kept certain all pins and certain paper pins. So just in case you require it for your filing and things. This kit has 4 kind of threads. So this has black, white, grey and pink thread. And of course a sewing needle for it. I don't know why I've kept pink here. You can replace it with any other color. There are 2 buttons. I've kept a hook and a safety pin. So my husband can do basic repair to the wear and tear that his clothes might get. So which is why I've kept these 2 things as well. Now I keep a 500 rupee note as well, just in case, you know, you never know when you require some extra cash, or if you've lost something, your cabin baggage or something of that sort. This might just come handy. Then there's a shoe polisher. Now this I got from some hotel only. So this opens with a brush and a polish thing. Prior to that, I used to keep a cherry blossom small packet, small bottle, and a cloth to be used. Of course, it's not extremely necessary because you can mostly get shoe polishers at most hotels. But just to be on the safer side, a nail cutter which can have certain knives also, just in case your man requires. And then I keep a lotion, a spectacle cleaning lotion. He mostly carries spectacles in his cases, so he has a muslin cloth to rub it, and but this is a cleaner which he can use for that. And I guess that's it. That's all I keep in his dob kit. Do tell me if you keep any other essential in your husband or father's dob kit, and do, you know, assemble one for the most special man of your life. It can be your husband, your boyfriend, your father, your brother, anybody. Because I feel that women are much better at organizing things, and we can make a difference to our men's lives by arranging this for them. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye.